Hello everybody! Welcome back to a brand new video after like ages. Also welcome to 2020, I guess it's the new year is here. Nice. But today we are playing something that is quite new, quite in early stages. That was released weeks ago, but we took ages to figure out how to download it properly. Welcome to Hello Guest prototype version. Maybe, we don't know, but this is probably like a prototype version. As the name tells, and also as you can see from this menu here, it's a Hello Neighbor related game. Maybe a sequel, maybe a prequel, maybe a spin-off. I think it's a sequel, personally. We can see the Ferris wheel from Secret Neighbor, if you guys remember that. You also have this dude right here standing on a building or some sort while the tree is just doing stuff. But let's just jump into a brand new game. Let's see what he has to offer. Yep, that's the same loading screen. Alright, I think I fixed it, and you have a flashlight. My mouse is still like super fast. Okay, I think I might have figured out, so yeah, this is definitely something that we've never seen it before. This is the flashlight from Hello Neighbor, I can tell that. It works the same way. I don't know how you're holding it, and also what. Oh, we have to hold the crouch now. Okay, we are wearing like boots. Okay, these icons are not the same. Oh, we can store items. Okay. Huh? We are in an amusement park, and what is it? Someone is destroying stuff over there. Yeah, this is an amusement. Is this the Golden Apple amusement park? Hello? I'm gonna go over. Ah! Who goes there? What the? What was? Okay, what was that? Who are you? What it? Hello? What? It's a Birdman or something? What the? Yeah, run away, mister. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Get out! You too! Oh no, oh, that's the bird. That's the neighbor! Wait, what the? That looks a lot like the neighbor. Neighbor man, get out! If you're the neighbor man, get out of here! He's freaking stalking me, look at this dude! I see you over there, yeah, run away with that dude. What are you doing? Ah! Ah! Okay, what? And now my character is shaking. Oh, hello. Okay, bye. What? If I look at you, you can't get me. I see you over there, yeah, get out. Neighbor man. What the hell is this? Okay. Get out of there. What did I just do? Oh, he needs like fuses? Let me turn that off. Okay, so we need something for that, like we need fuses or something. That looks like a fuse box. And we are being stalked by the bird man. Hey, what are you doing? Get out. Hippity hoppity! Get off my property! It's a birdhouse, is it? I see you there around that corner. Get out of there! What the heck are you doing? Are you trying to ambush me or something? And there we goes. Oh, hello there. What? Oh, it's big now. What the heck was that? Oh, wow. Paycheck player cash next shit. Oh, so we are the guards. So yeah, I was right. We have to keep those dudes out of here. The store? What? What? This is a weird sound that the floor makes. What is this? Price $100. What is? Where are we? We are in heaven or something. What is this? Yes, Duracell batteries. This is definitely worth getting. What is that? Oh, are those fuses or something? Hold up, I can get it. I can get it. I see. Yes, best friend in a Hello Neighbor games. The box, which I can stack actually. I can actually stack boxes. Oh wow, this thing costs a lot. What's this? Fuel. Although that costs us a lot. If I put this down, can I? No, I still cannot buy that. It's a fuel thing. Maybe the machine requires fuel. We got more flashlights. Just we can go. Oh, these are different from the. Oh, okay. Hello. How do I just do? I'm gonna put this battery in here. I'll put that in there. If I drop this, I have the fuse. Okay. So the red. What? Oh come on, the flashlight is dead. Aha! Oh, I have to keep it on. What does this? 60 and there's the. What is the? Oh wait. There we go. Hey! Hui! No. I can get on this unfinished thingy, which does nothing. And there's another guy over there. Hold up. You gotta. Oh, neighbor! The neighbor ruined everything. Oh, that's why we needed that pill. We are stressed. Oh god. Birdman, stay away. My dude is having a heart attack or something. Okay, this is legitimately turned to horror out of nowhere. But I'm getting a heart attack or something right here. I don't like that. So that dude is bro, you don't see me? Get up. Oh, the day just ends like that. Okay. So I think I get in the hang of what we have to do right here. So, what is that? What is this? A breeder. Okay, we might need this because my dude was freaking having a heart attack or something. Okay, I found the heart pills. I'll take that. And grab another one just to be sure. And don't really know if this will work. Let's see what we can do with this stuff. Can I get into this fun house or wherever this is? The apartment is darkened. Let me get in. Let me get into the side. So right here. What does this do? Okay. Fireman, get out. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna make this thing start again. Uh-huh. Get out. Fuel. Bruh. Get. Oh wow, that's such a weak throw. That's still not working. That's a battery diffuse. No. I've used up the fuel, so I'm gonna grab some of that back. And this time I think I can actually grab a crowbar. This stuff is still here. Haha. Yes, this time I should be able to afford the crowbar. Give me that crowbar. Yeah. How the heck are you holding that crowbar? What's back here? Oh, what? Oh, wow. Oh, we are right next to the... look at... Hello, okay. Yeah, this is certainly Hello Neighbor related when he says hello on the wall. Okay. I see you there, get out, mister. Can I have a crowbar, don't I? Can I use this on that? Hello? Don't tell me that he can get up here. Geronimo! Alright, well, our jumping skills are quite good, so I must say that. Get on that, please. Alright, I got on this cord. Let's do a tie rope around this thing. There we go. Wow. Okay. We do have time. We have a load of time. No, give me like that. But, oh, this is the amusement ride. Oh, we need to get like over there. Yeah, we weren't there. Can I get down on that? Geronimo! Oh, come on! Oh, I got up here. Okay, let's shimmy our way down, crouching. No, I can't. So if I crouch, I can't do that. Okay, what is oh. Uh-huh, behind the scenes, I see. More tracks. All this stuff is closed. Alright. Alright. I see. And I hear also that guy down there. The little nosy. He's around here. Oh, hello. Oh, those are nails. Oh, you wanna get in? I'm not gonna let you in, dude. Not that stupid. Okay. Time to... what do we do with this? Once we're in here, what we are supposed to do is, once this fuel gauge is up... Okay, where are you going? Get out of there. Get out of here. Well, I'm gonna make sure that it gets out. So. I can't even go. Whoa. Okay, so that thing is full. Just to be sure. Neighbor, get over here, come on. Then, when I make this go... you have to like close the valves. I have to apparently can just get you once you're in his way. Okay then. Guys, I've done it. I made the machine start. All I gotta do is now get this unit out of here. Get out of here. Oh, you can just jump over this stuff. Get out. Okay, it should be out. So you might wanna... What? Let me get in here. Get out of here. So yeah, the thing works. Bye, neighbor. Oh wow. Oh what? Okay, that's a crow with teeth. That's scientifically inaccurate. Oh wow, what? Okay, that's a forest. Oh wow. What was that? This is legitimate horror, guys. What? Alright. People going in the forest. I get that. Oh, Mayak, okay, secret neighbor references. Yeah, that's Mayak, alright. And these dudes, okay, that's, oh what? Okay, this is like the creepiest hello neighbor. What? The dudes got turned into crow. There it is! Neighbor, how did I get up there? Okay, my heart is starting to beat. One in the game talking about that. Where am I going? Oh, what? Okay. Oh. And this stops here. Bruh. And I just fall. Great. And I fell down here. All I have is a fuse. Plug that in there. Do I do this? No. Okay, that didn't do enough. And I'm just here stuck. There's something here. Yeah, that's the neighbor man doing stuff with those kids. Okay guys, I think I know what is wrong because I've done everything correctly except I turned off the power. Oh well, I didn't turn it back on because you know that stuff resets. Okay. What? Oh crap. No more fuel. I have what we need though. We should have enough fuel, right? Yeah, but we might want as well. Oh! What? Hold on, okay, this is laggy. Apparently I left the thing on, so it did everything automatically. And we got the good ending. Oh wow, that's the actual mic from the game. Oh wow. Okay, that kind of jump scared me because I didn't expect that to happen. Okay. And that happened. What happens if I continue? You know, because technically there are two endings. I don't know how you get the other ending. It's called the bad ending. I don't know how you get that. Maybe you get caught by the neighbor 100 times. Oh, look at him. He's spying on me. Okay, like, no buddy. How's it going? So we can actually take a look at it. Chase the neighbor. I no longer fear you. You wanna know why? Because I got the ending, so now you can do whatever you want with me. Hiya! Chase him! I'm the guard, I'm supposed to do this. You can actually chase the neighbor. I'm pursuing the neighbor. Aha! You're stuck. Oh no. There we go. We got the bad ending as well. Nice. Oh, instead you have like a bunch of stuff. Is a remote? What is it doing? Oh, if that was kind of like it blew up everything. Okay. Well, guys, if you enjoyed this Hello Guest video, which is going to be very edited, leave a like. And yeah, hopefully you managed to watch the entirety of the video, because that's a lot of stuff already going on. I don't know why the R2 endings are both blow up the wall. I don't know what Maya has to do with this. But see you next time.